In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files permanently from Google Drive. We'll cover all the steps you need to ensure your files are completely erased from your account. So, if you've been struggling with freeing up space or want to confidently remove files, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser. This might be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. From there, you'll want to navigate to your search engine, which is likely already set to Google for most of us. In the search bar, simply type in Google Drive, and you'll be presented with a list of search results. The next step is to open the correct Google Drive link. Usually, the first link will be what you need, but you can also look out for the one with the URL drivegoogle.com drive quota. This link directly takes you to the section of Google Drive where you can manage your storage, making it particularly useful if you're focusing on deleting files to free up space. Once you've accessed Google Drive, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you enter the correct email and password combination for the account whose files you want to delete permanently. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're in the right one before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, you will see a menu on the left-hand side of the page. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Trash. Click on Trash, and it will take you to the section where all your deleted files are temporarily stored. If you want to delete a single file permanently, this part is quite straightforward. Click on the file you wish to delete, and then navigate to the top of the page where you'll see an option that says Empty Trash. When you click this, a pop-up will appear asking if you would like to delete forever. Confirm by selecting this option, and your file will be permanently removed from your drive. Alternatively, you can right-click on the file you want to delete and choose Delete Forever from the drop-down menu. For those of you who wish to clear out all files in your trash at once, there's a more efficient method. Simply find the Empty Trash button located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation asking if you're sure you want to delete everything forever. Confirm this action, and all files in your trash will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. Your files are now permanently deleted, making room for new data or simply tidying up your Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.